Hi friends, what a joy to be back with you on Instagram Live. After a couple of days, busy with doing YouTube and getting along our BOAC course, so I was not finding any time to come on Instagram Live. But here we are today, and I have two young dashing boys from my school, two dashing cadets from my school who have cracked the NDA, everything. They are ready to go to the academy now. So we'll soon be joined by these two young people. Listen to them, get inspired, ask them what you want to ask. There can't be better person to tell you how they have gone about clearing their NDA exams. So they cracked the written exams and then the SSB, and very high in merit, both of them. So they make my school proud, Military School Bangalore, Rashtriya Military School Bangalore. We have a chip on our shoulders, one of the best schools in the country. So here they are. Soon I'll call them. I was in the school long time back. Long. This is another generation of young boys, much better than us. हमसे कहीं ज़्यादा बेहतर हैं, हमसे अच्छे हैं ये बच्चे. And I am so proud. And best part is I have remained attached to school. मतलब शायद ही कोई साल है जब मैं स्कूल नहीं गया हूँ, या मैं जो है स्कूल के बच्चों से मैंने बात नहीं की है. Probably I have spoken to these guys when I have gone to school couple of years back. So here we are. We'll call these two young cadets from Rashtriya Military School Bangalore, and they are going to be live with us very soon. Chalo, let's get them without wasting any time. I am looking at where is you're waiting for them. So Anurag, where are you, Anurag? And Anshul Kumar, Anurag Verma and Anshul Kumar. Okay, we'll just get them. Yeah, hi, that is Anshul.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome, son. What a pleasure to see you. Rashtriya Military School. You make the school proud. You make your parents proud. Oh, so happy to see you.
Thank you, sir.
And where is Anurag?
Sir, he's just coming, sir.
Okay, he's coming. So Anshul, जरा बेबाक स्टाइल में, I know तेरे बारे में you and me share the same ethos. Are you from Shastri House?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we are rocking green color. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So I believe you are also a debater like me, much better than me.
Not better than you, sir, but I am a debater, sir.
Very good. And what games do you play?
Sir, I play basketball, sir.
Same यार, हमारा तो हाउस तो बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट्स वही है. अगर शास्त्री हाउस का बच्चा बास्केटबॉल नहीं खेलता कोई प्रॉब्लम है. और बैक गेट से बंकिंग कितनी करी है तुमने स्कूल में?
बैक गेट सर नहीं सर, चेंज हो गया सर अब.
हाँ, वो गेट बंद हो गया, अभी वो मंदिर के पास से जाना पड़ता है.
यस सर.
हाँ, बट वही है. तो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डिड यू बंक एंड सी मूवीज एंड ऑल?
Countless, sir. I didn't count.
But Shastri House was popular for this, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Because you're very close out. In no time you're in the city, and there's a bus stop also. You can catch a bus from there. Okay, so just tell us about you, your parents, and how are you feeling before we warm up to SSB.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, everyone who is here. I'm Cadet Anshul Kumar, and I'm from the passing out batch from Rashtriya Military School Bangalore, and I have been studying there since class 6th. My family has 4 members, and my father is also in army, and he's a Naib Subedar in the artillery.
Very good. यही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. When I joined the school, my father was Naib Subedar. ठीक है. By the time he was a Subedar, and when I became an officer, he was a Subedar major. Very good. हाँ, बोलो अंशुल.
Sir. And sir, my mother is a beautician, and my sister is doing her graduation now.
Oh, very nice. And कैसा रहा स्कूल में? How many years you spent in school?
So I have spent 7 years, sir.
Oh, and now 4 years, 3 years in NDA, 1 year in IMA.
Yes, sir. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. NDA has transformed a lot. And a couple of years back, I had gone there as a motivational speaker. Many of now I keep meeting these captains and majors at places. They say, "Sir, you had come and given us a talk in NDA." so very good. अंशुल, आपका नेटवर्क थोड़ा कमजोर है और ये कहाँ है हमारा जस्ट अनोनिमस. ओके जस्ट अनोनिमस इज जस्ट अनोनिमस कहाँ है? ओके या लेट्स सी. हाँ, आपका नेटवर्क थोड़ा चला, अभी बोलो.
Sir.
हाँ.
Good evening, sir.
हेलो अनुराग, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, thank you, sir. How are you?
Oh, very good to see you. Everybody talks so high of both of you, and you're also into public speaking, and you're a football player.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What position do you play?
Sir, left back, sir.
Oh, so you're the guy who's pushing the forwards down, eh?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo, tell us about your parents and your family.
So, my father is in the Indian Army as Subedar. He is currently posted in Sri Ganganagar.
Oh,
And my mother is a homemaker. And I have a younger brother. He is in class 12th.
oh, very good. Father कौन सी regiment में?
Sir, Army Ordnance Corps. Currently posted in the 16th Infantry DOU.
Oh, very good. Very good. Wonderful place. I was brigade major in Lalgarh Jatta. So I know Ganganagar and that place. बहुत तो तुम अभी गंगानगर से बोल रहे हो?
No, sir, I'm in Delhi, sir.
You're in Delhi. Oh,
Yes, sir.
then we should meet up. अंशुल, तुम
Sure.
कहाँ हो?
Sir, I'm in Bangalore only.
अच्छा, you're in school.
No, sir, I'm staying at my home. My home is in Bangalore.
Oh, great. Chalo, now one by one, just tell us about your preparation. क्या किया आपने and what different did you do to make it to NDA in such a good merit?
So, starting with my NDA written preparation. Sir, just as soon as I joined the class 12th, I got promoted to class 12th. I started with the sole purpose of preparing for NDA, keeping my boards side by side so that I can focus more on NDA. Because, sir, I had the plan that first I will focus on NDA, and in the meantime, I will also be preparing for CBSE as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I started with the basic books, those pathfinders and all. And then in the vacations, I switched over to online platforms as well, like Unacademy and YouTube as well.
Okay.
So, yes, sir. So I studied from there and took guidance from the teachers that were present on the online platform as well as from the school teachers as well.
Okay.
So, sir, we used to discuss topics among ourselves as well. In my classmates, we had made a WhatsApp group. We have a class WhatsApp group. So we used to discuss there as well. So, sir, these all slowly, sir, I started covering my syllabus. And then in the last 1 month was remaining, I opted for mock tests by different teachers. And yes, sir, in the mock test also I fared well, which has shown impact in the written exam also. I scored 478 marks, sir.
Oh, very good.
Thank
Very
you.
good. You're also a class topper. तो बैंगलोर मिलिट्री स्कूल में तुमने ऐसे क्या किया? हमारे टाइम पे तो कोई नहीं टॉप करता था यार. हम तो पढ़ाई में बहुत नालायक वाली पार्टी में थे. But now our school has changed. I see you guys are doing very well in academics and बाकी चीजें तो है ही हैं. अभी क्या यूएसपी हो गया तुम लोगों का?
सर अपग्रेड हो गया थोड़ा सा.
वेरी गुड. सिस्टम अपग्रेड हो गया. देश
Yes,
भी
sir.
बदल गया है. अंशुल, तुमने क्या किया बेटा? यू टेल अस व्हाट डिड यू डू for your
Sir,
preparing and written exam?
I was not a topper like Anurag, sir, so I had to struggle as I hadn't studied the 11th class part much. So when I started, I found it difficult to cope up with the syllabus all of a sudden, which I found in class 12, sir. So at first I tried clearing up all the doubts and all the concepts I was supposed to learn in class 11, and then I moved to class 12. And so for the sole reason of NDA exam, clearing NDA exam, I took out the chapters which carried more weightage, and I tried to gain as much knowledge as possible and practice as much as possible. I tried to find questions from anywhere, from any teacher, from any book, and I tried solving them like whenever I got time. So,
एक्सेलेंट.
and
तो रिटर्न तो चलो तुम लोग स्कूल से रिटर्न मैंने देखा इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. इफ योर बेसिक्स आर गुड इन मैथ्स एंड साइंस एंड इंग्लिश, क्लियरिंग एनी यूपीएससी रिटर्न एग्जाम, सीडीएस और एनडीए इज अ केक वॉक, है ना. तो नाउ टेल अस अबाउट एसएसबी एंड करंट अफेयर्स एंड लीडरशिप क्वालिटी जिसकी हम हमेशा बात करते हैं. वो कैसे तुम लोगों ने, हाउ डिड यू फिगर दैट आउट?
So as soon as we cleared our written examination, we started preparing for SSB. And by preparation, I mean we started gathering knowledge about things. Like, sir, because if we are preparing before the SSB, knowledge is important. Be it the service knowledge in which we are going to join, or be it the knowledge about ourselves only. Because, sir, most of us tend to ignore ourselves. So
Very good.
first of all, we started self-introspecting ourselves. And then gathering knowledge about the current affairs GK portion, then the service knowledge. And yes, sir,
Current
when
affairs के लिए, I'll just interject here. What did you do to improve your current affairs and
Sir,
general awareness?
current affairs and general awareness, we opted the platforms like YouTube, sir. And we also started reading newspapers, the summary of the newspapers from the YouTube as well.
Okay.
And yes, sir, we opted books like Lucent so that our preparation becomes easier.
Mhm.
and also
And-
sir, to save time, the group of us, it wasn't like that we all were reading the same thing. It was like we distributed the topics, and then we collected knowledge, and once in a day or twice in a day, we sat in the same place and exchanged our knowledge by giving short talks
Yeah.
or example like that.
This is very
That
good. Group study. Group basically,
Yes,
even online,
Yes,
you were
sir.
able to discuss a topic so that किसी का अच्छा prepared है, he tells others, and you are, gathering knowledge. Excellent. So I like this point of yours, Anurag. Ki first introspection is who are you? What are your strengths and weaknesses? And you went on to a practical side of SSB instead of just trying to copy someone, है ना? और क्या किया आपने for your physical fitness and your GD and to take other tests? What did you do?
So for physical fitness, since we were at home for almost a year, so as soon as we reached our school, because we requested the school to call.
हाँ, उसका नेटवर्क चला गया है अंशुल, तो you
Yes,
can
sir.
take up. हाँ.
So as soon as we reached our school, sir, so AO sir and principal sir found out that we weren't in a good shape. So PTS sir was made in charge, and there was no stopping after that. We were took outside for the normal PT when that we used to follow earlier when we were in school, and soon we were in shape, sir.
Okay, very good. So you started regular PT in the and games in the school.
Yes, sir.
And then what was your day routine? Because normal classes तो चल नहीं रही थी, you're only preparing for SSB. So what else were you doing?
So we as soon as we woke up at around 5:30, and then we went for a PT after till 7, and then we had a breakfast. Then we went to the classes, and
Mhm.
generally either principal sir or AO sir used to come in the morning, like twice or thrice in a week, and he used to inquire about the progress we were making. After that,
Mhm.
sir, there was a computer in our class, and we all sat together, and we went on this channel, so it's called Study IQ. Sir, they post some daily information about the current affairs, and so we
Okay.
watched those videos, gained information, and then we built our own opinion to discuss about it.
Okay. So you had a good ecosystem around you where you discussed various things, and the school provided you a good platform. Yeah,
sir.
Anurag, welcome back. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा, तो हम स्कूल की बात कर रहे थे अभी. तो यहाँ बहुत से बच्चे हैं, वो आर एस्पायरेंट्स, वो दे आर सीइंग स्टार्स, सोते जागते वो 2 स्टार नजर आते हैं इनको. तो जरा बताना, जरा हाउ डिड यू, फिर स्कूल में जाके आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया, कितनी पीटी करते थे, फिजिकल पे कितना जोर था और बाकी चीजों पे कितना जोर था?
So when we went
The
to
main
our school,
focus
sir,
was on
we requested
mental ability,
the
sir.
administration
The physical
to
was sidelined,
make us do PT, sir.
to
Forcefully,
some
we
extent,
asked
sir.
them to make us do
Because
PT,
we know
so that
because we
we
knew that
acquire
the
physical
psychology and
fitness
that G2
back,
and also
and
it
which was
requires
also so
more of
because
your
it was
mental
necessary,
strength
sir.
than your
Because in
physical
GT
strength.
task,
So
it is quite
there is a
necessary. Our physical fitness is very necessary.
You need
Be
to
it
be
the
very
individual
fit to
obstacles or the
get your
progressive
one by
license.
one. One by one, yeah. I think you are not able to follow each other. Yeah, Anurag, दोबारा बोलो. We lost in between. Both of you were talking. हाँ.
Sorry, sir.
हाँ.
So we had our PT sessions, and yes, sir, we also have an obstacle course in our school as well. So we all in the evening we went there so that we can practice for the individual obstacles as well. And so physical fitness is necessary, sir, be it for the individual obstacles or the PGT or HGT. So yes, sir, we thought that we should do PT, and yes, sir, it bore us results, sir, in the SSB as well.
And now, where did you go for SSB? Which board and उसके बारे में बताओ.
So we went to 2 FSB. I went to 2 FSB Mysore, and Cadet Anshal went to Dehradun, sir. 4 FSB Dehradun.
अच्छा, okay. You both went to the Air Force. Your first choice Air Force.
Yes, sir. Our first choice was Air Force, sir.
अच्छा, दोनों का ही.
Yes, sir.
So you're cleared for PAPT and all.
No, sir, we could not clear it, sir.
Okay,
So-
okay.
We opted for Army, sir.
हाँ, सही है आर्मी में आना यार. और I will tell you which regiment to join. ठीक है, अभी मत decide करना. Join Brigade
Yes,
of the Guard. ठीक है, my regiment. हैं?
Yes, sir.
Since your father is in ordnance, don't go for ordnance and all. ठीक है? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Join infantry, mechanized infantry और armored corps. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अच्छा, तो SSB में गए तो वहाँ का बताओ experiences. How did you tackle the SSB? What happened?
Sir, the day we reported for the SSB, we were quite very nervous because I was along with my classmate Cadet Rajiv as well. So I was quite nervous, sir, because seeing 150 candidates there standing and knowing that only a few would make it till the end. So I was a bit nervous, sir. But sir, what I would like to say is that nervousness should remain outside the board only, sir. Inside, we should be fully confident so that we are able to face the assessors with all what we have, sir.
Excellent, बिल्कुल. तो नर्वसनेस तो पेट में सबके गुड़गुड़ चल रहा होता है, लेकिन यू शो कि यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, फिर
Then, sir, we had the groups divided, sir, and we started with the OIR followed by PPDT, sir. So in OIR, what happened was that we had 2 sets of 50 questions each. But sir, candidates, what they do, they underestimate the time given to them. They think that if 27 minutes is given, then I will be able to complete in all 27 minutes. And they keep their speed slow, which I also did, sir. I also did the same. My speed was quite slow in the set 1. So I was not able to attempt all of the questions. I was around 41 and 42.
Okay.
So sir, what I would like to advise is that we should keep our speed so that we are able to attempt all the questions. And yes, sir, practice.
Very
Because
good.
sir, the questions might be easy, but without practice, we won't be able to attempt that as well.
So match practice is very important. है ना?
Yes, sir.
It is whether you're playing football or you're gone for SSB. है ना?
Yes, sir.
मैच प्रैक्टिस के बिना बात नहीं बनेगी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, उसके बाद उसमें PPDT में क्या किया?
So PPT, we had a very blur picture given, sir. What I could make out were 2 men were laughing, sir.
हाँ.
And I made a story of a school reunion, sir, related to the school reunion. And sir, what I observed there was that the other candidates who were with me in my group, they had made stories relating to landslide and something similar to that. And majority of them were on the similar lines of the 2 people laughing, sir. So yes, sir, I would suggest that in PPDT, perception is very important, because if we are not able to perceive the picture only, then our narration, no matter how good, it won't be able to be fruitful, sir. And yes, sir, as soon as the narration was done, we had our group discussion for a common story, sir. And it was all hustle bustle, sir. Everyone was
Fish market.
keeping, yes, sir, fish market situation, sir.
हाँ. फिर how did you keep your cool there?
Sir, we tried keeping our cool we tried to maintain the group so that a bit of dignity of this group is maintained, sir. We tried to convince each other to go one by one. But yes, sir, since all of us were in full josh, the discussion was not so fruitful. We had to end up with a compromise story, and the discussion ended, sir.
Okay.
And sir, soon after that, we were made to wait for like hours, 1 hour, 2 hours. We were made to wait, and then one of the DSOs came and announced the name of the candidate, chest numbers of the candidates.
I think he's gone now. You tell us about your screening.
Okay, sir. So, Anni Nehra from sir RMS Bangalore, sir. RMS Belgaum, sir. He was also there with me
Okay.
on in the same batch of the SSB, sir. So it was early morning, sir. It was really cold, and as soon as we reached near the gate of the AFSB, it was all crowded, and everyone was spick and span, sir. But the confidence level at that time with the Georgian, that too. So we were in high josh. So we just said, no, we have to make it. So we just gave it our all, sir. So for the first OIR, as Anurag said, sir, we really underestimate the time given to us, sir.
Okay.
So I missed some questions. I actually should have practiced more about of the OIR, and that should have helped, sir. So I missed some around 5 or 6 questions in the first set, and some 2 or 3 questions in the second set, sir. Then, sir, the PPDT, sir. The stories were really contradicting, sir. So it was really hard to maintain the group.
Sure.
And so one thing I noticed in the PPDT, sir, there was even a guy who had come in slippers and lower, sir. And it's really astonishing that he was screened in, sir. So, but it wasn't a very good impression. So, sir, I will say that the appearance, sir, it all matters.
Yeah. Personality, that's a very important part. And that advantage you have from being from military school. At least your fitness, you have been taught how to wear your clothes and you are presentable. Anna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what was the story? What was the picture you were given?
So it was like a ice wall, sir, and some soldiers were climbing on it, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, some made the story about the training, some made about some civil adventure trek or something like that, and some even made the story like that there was some terrorist and there was some fighting and all, sir.
Okay.
So it was really contradicting, and it was really hard to come to a conclusion, sir. And at last we didn't come to a conclusion, sir.
Okay. And then you got screened it.
Yes, sir.
Achha, now tell us everybody wants to hear your experience of the SSB. How did you tackle your GTO, your psyche part, and your interview?
So for the psychology part, sir, we had practiced a lot, sir, really a lot. We used to discuss the stories where the 6 of us who were preparing for SSB at that time in the school, sir. We had practiced a lot, and for every picture we saw, sir, we used to discuss the story, and we used to come to a conclusion by a discussion only, sir. So that helped, and we had a lot of great ideas in the TAT, and so we tried connecting it to our own life so that we don't appear like we are lying about something.
Yeah.
I personally tried to keep my true self into that in all the stories, sir.
Okay.
And so one thing I again noticed was the time, sir. It is really less, and it actually pushes the subconscious mind out of you, sir.
Exactly.
So
Very good. Yeah.
Practice is
whatever
needed,
coaching you may have done, whatever stories you may have mugged up, but the pressure is such that it is,
Yes, sir.
your true self comes out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what did you do? How did you tackle? Were you able to complete all?
So for the TAT, sir, I was able to complete all 12 of them, and for the WAT, I did around 57 out of 60, and in the SRT part, I lagged by a lot, sir, because I actually had planned to write short answers. Like I was planning to use commas to write my answers, but at that point, sir, I started writing whole sentences, and that really consumed a lot of time, sir.
So in spite of the
So-
practice, you found it that you were not up to the, you're not able to cope up with the pressure.
Yes, sir. For some time, so for like half of the time, I was writing whole sentences, and as soon as I realized that the time is running, and then I started like writing short sentences using commas and also, and at last I was able to do 28 of them, sir, out of 60.
Only
And then,
28.
sir,
Only 20.
Yes.
Oh, अच्छा. और ये बताओ, situations being in school, did it help you practical ideas of tackling day-to-day events? Did it help you to react?
Yes, sir, it really helps. There are some situations about like your senior is giving some other order and just junior of him, but senior of yours is giving some other order, and how will you handle it, sir?
Uh-huh.
So those kind of situations, the school came in, and it really helps.
Yeah, that's what I've been telling people कि थोड़ा सा लाइफ में एडवेंचर ऐड करो, थोड़ी मस्ती ऐड
Yes.
करो. Life lessons are there and not in getting marks in class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And about the self description, sir, it was all about self introspection, and actually I feel that at the TAT, WAT, and SRT, sir, it is all connected to the self description, sir. If
Okay.
if you're trying to be someone else in the TAT, it will not be able to it will not be same as what you write about yourself in the self description, sir.
Hmm.
So it's just better that you build yourself, you don't fake yourself there.
Very nice.
You build yourself in advance.
Yeah, so you build your personality, you see where are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and work on your
Yes, sir.
weaknesses so that you develop and you mentally change yourself. है ना? By
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
by continue. So what weaknesses did you have which you thought आपने जो change किए?
So there was some. I wasn't a very social person even in the school, sir.
अच्छा.
But I tried to cope up with that, sir. And I really my English teacher Sarita ma'am. She really helped in that. Even my friends, they all really helped. And I didn't know about this, but when we started introspecting each other, we help each other in introspecting also, sir.
Okay.
So we
Tell
came
each
to-
other strong strengths and weaknesses.
Yes, sir, it's really difficult to find your own strengths and weaknesses at some point, sir.
At least weakness तो नहीं. Weakness ढूंढनी बहुत मुश्किल है.
Yes, sir, it is actually difficult. So my friends came in, and it really helped, sir.
Okay.
They told me about my weaknesses, and they even helped me about figure out the solutions to the weaknesses.
So one
And started
word you
improving.
told me your weakness was you are not very social. You were more
Yes.
of an introvert in school. है ना?
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
and what else were your weaknesses which you improved?
So one of the weakness was whenever I got into an argument, sir, I gave it my all, sir. I was like R to par. मतलब
Bullhead.
it was
You were a
like
bullhead.
yes, sir. If in any argument, sir, I was I gave it all my heart, sir, to win that argument.
Hmm.
But then in group discussion and also it is not very helpful. Like it's a discussion, and we need not make it a debate, sir. So that was a weak point for me.
Make it
and
a
my
debate, but
friends
don't
helped me.
make it an emotional debate. Don't get emotionally
Yes, sir.
attached to your views. है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So even in discussions, it sometimes happened that I was stuck on one point, and I wasn't able to move to another point all by myself. So my friends helped me in that, and then I improved bit by bit. So.
Anurag, we were talking of now the main SSB and especially
Yes, sir.
description. So how did you identify कि तुम्हारी क्या weaknesses है और उनको तुमने कैसे अपने आप को ना वो अपनी personality develop कैसे की? ये just tell us this. ये बताओ.
Sir, finding weakness is very, very hard, sir. Very hard. If we sit and find out by ourselves, it will be very hard to find our own weaknesses.
Hmm.
So what I did was that along with me, I had 5 cadets more. So I asked them to tell me about my weaknesses.
Hmm.
So we sat together, finding weaknesses in each other. And yes,
Okay.
sir. Then we came up with a few, and I mentioned it in the self description.
तो क्या थी बताओ? Let us know what were your weaknesses and what did you do?
So one of my weaknesses I added was I need to enrich my vocabulary. by reading more number of novels. Because
Okay.
sir, in the initial years of my school, during the 7th, 8th, 9th, I used to read novels a lot, but then that practice went away.
Hmm.
So one of my weaknesses I mentioned was that I need to read more novels.
Hmm. Okay. And then?
And sir, the other weaknesses that I mentioned was, sir, I need to work a bit more upon my throwing techniques, sir. So in the athletics, we have those shot puts, javelin throws.
Hmm.
I need to work a bit more on that, sir.
But these are physical attributes. Mentally,
Yes, sir.
you know, as a personality, जैसे Anshul was telling me कि उसकी weakness थी is to get emotional in arguments में he'll take it. He was an introvert. He was not very social. ऐसा what was there in your personality which you improved?
So in my personality traits, the weakness in my personality traits which I mentioned was that, sir, so one was that my inability to say no, sir, because I'm not able to say no.
Hmm.
So that was one of my weaknesses. And yes, sir, I don't think that I need to improve a bit more on that. I just need to judge where to say no and where to say yes. That's all I feel I need to do. And yes, sir, the other one was that I don't get angry very fast, sir.
You don't get angry. That's a good thing, yeah. You're like me. मुझे भी गुस्सा नहीं आता है.
No, sir, sometimes there should be a bit of anger, aggression type. Sometimes it is required, sir.
नहीं, you need to be assertive. हम
Yes,
एक
sir.
दिन बात कर रहे थे. There's a little difference, subtle difference being assertive and being angry. You know,
Yes.
so be assertive where you feel you are right, but you don't have to raise your voice, shout, or do anything like that.
Yes, exactly, sir.
Okay.
Same.
हाँ, है ना, यही है ना.
Yes, sir.
Good. अच्छा, तो चलो अभी tell us about your about your interview. How much grilling was done and how did you एक एक करके anyone can pick it up.
Okay, sir, I will start, sir.
Hmm.
So, for the interview part, sir, the preparation was as sir expected. It was in groups, sir. We used to take mock interviews of each other, and as we were together for 7 years, so we knew everything about each other. So, digging out something about a person in an interview wasn't difficult for them.
Okay.
So we were we made so many had so many interviews with each other that we were used to that grilling, sir. We were used to that digging in the personalities. So when we sat for the interview, sir, it wasn't very hard for us. But yes, sir. But there was some unexpected questions that we didn't knew would come. But then again, we had introspected ourselves, so we knew about ourselves, and we were able to handle it, sir. One of the questions, sir, I found difficult to answer at that time, which I had prepared, but I wasn't able to answer in that way, sir, was the interviewer asked me, why do you want to join the Indian Air Force, sir? So I told him everything about my army background, me coming from military school, and everything about that, sir, about the motivational tours, trips, and also we get. But he was reluctant on why Air Force, why not Army and Navy. So that was where I was stuck. So I couldn't think of anything. So I just said, so the aura pilot carries around him. So when he walks away from his fighter jet with a helmet in his left hand and adjusting his aviators with his right, that is what I want, sir. So we smiled at it for 5 seconds, and the interview continued, sir.
Good. नहीं, सही आंसर दिया यार. Finally swag तो है ही यार. एयरफोर्स का सारा स्वैग पायलट का, बाकी सब वेरी फेरी है. जबकि आर्मी में देयर आर सो मेनी प्लेसेस वेयर यू कैन एग्जिबिट योर ब्रेवरी और योर आर्मर, मैक, इन्फेंट्री, आर्टिलरी, सबका अपना अपना कहीं ना कहीं. बट एयरफोर्स एवरीथिंग इज अराउंड दैट पायलट. द एंटायर एयरफोर्स एग्जिस्ट टू इंश्योर दैट ही कैरीज हिज स्वैग एंड ही लैंड्स सेफली, फ्रॉम हिज मिशन.
Yes, sir.
अनुराग, तुम्हारा?
Sir, speaking of first of all, I would tell the preparation I did for the interview, sir. Sir, in my opinion, sir, apart from our classmates, no one knows us better, sir. So what we did was that we had a group of 6. We step by step we asked each other to take our interviews, and sir, no one, not even the interviewer, sir, no one can grill us better than our classmates, sir.
Okay.
The amount of pressure that they can put, no other person can put, sir.
Okay.
So sir, we planned our interviews, and yes sir, we had that how to handle the pressure by the interviewer. We all were used to that before we faced the real interview, sir.
Okay.
And sir, during the interview, sir, the sessions with my classmates were fruitful because, sir, I was able to handle the pressure, sir. The interviewer was trying to pressurize me, but I was able to dodge the questions.
What kind of pressure? What kind of grilling did you go through?
Sir, he kept all the questions on my personal knowledge only, sir. On me only. Not even on the service knowledge, not on the GK or current affairs. He kept all the questions on me. And yes, sir, he started by, sir, how you take the. He started with my classmates. How many friends do you have? Which are the ones you like the most? Which you don't like the most? Why? What did you do to improve that quality which you do not like in the classmate? Did he change after that? And what did you learn from him? Even if you dislike him or do not like him very much, he kept on digging and digging only on simple question that which all the classmates you do not like the most. And yes, sir, followed after that, I was the appointment, sir. I was the school captain, house vice captain, CCA vice captain. So he went to the appointment side. He asked me, what all challenges did you face? How did you overcome? Tell me any more challenge. And till the point he did not find something to dig deeper, he kept asking me another challenge did you face? So sir, he ended up where I said that, yes sir, during the boxing time, it was quite a challenge for me. Because the cadets, most of the cadets are not willing to participate, saying that boxing is a very violent and aggressive type of sport, sir, which it is not. And yes, sir. So it was a quite challenge for me to fill all the categories because, sir, if even a category goes empty, it is a disrespect for the house, sir.
Absolutely.
So,
There's no way यार कि कोई हाउस में वेट खाली हो जाए. एटलीस्ट हमारे टाइम पे तो कोई चांस ही नहीं था. हर वेट में दो तीन कंटेंडर होते थे. एंड वी यूज्ड टू कीप हैविंग ट्रायल्स. वो हाउस ट्रायल्स आर मोर रिगरस देन द एक्चुअल बॉक्सिंग.
Yes, sir. So I told him about the boxing preparation, how we used to do it in the prep rooms, ask the cadets to reduce their weight so that there is a chance to win the medal. There is a better chance to win the medal. I told him how we got the permission from their parents because some cadets say that their parents have not allowed them to play boxing. So we just talked to their parents. We asked our housemaster to talk to their parents and we got the approval as well, sir. So we started motivating the cadets on the lines of the house, the legacy which our house has. And yes, sir, the cadets were willing to participate. We had 2 to 3 contenders in some categories, and in which we did not have any contender. Slowly with time, we got contenders for that as well, sir.
So that thing as a organizing ability,
yes,
that
sir.
is where we score very high on in comparison to people who are day scholars. जो टिफिन भी पैक हो जाता है, बस्ता भी पैक हो जाता है, कपड़े भी प्रेस हो जाते हैं और फिर वापस आते हैं, फेंक देते हैं, फिर घर वाले कर देते हैं. So there I think we have a big advantage. क्यों कुमार,
Yes,
we have a big advantage ना, क्योंकि रोज ही चैलेंज है अपने स्कूल में.
Yes, sir. Those 7 years teach us a lot, sir.
And then appointments, there's so much of challenge. It starts with a prefect. When you become a prefect in a house in 7th, 8th,
Yes, sir.
junior norm, then of course house vice captain, house captain, school captain is a huge responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, great. So what now one by one, what do you think 4 or 5 qualities or 4 or 5 things that the aspirants who are listening to us need to do? 4-5 चीजें जो कि यार ये तो करनी है आपने अगर SSB क्लियर करने का सोचना है. Your own individually 4 to 5 issues which are must, मतलब stone में लिखा जाना चाहिए.
So, in my point of view, the 5 qualities which every aspirant should acquire or should do. So, first and foremost, self-introspection. It is very important, sir. First of all, and so second, sir, he should gather, sir, the qualities of teamwork, which we usually gather by playing sports like football and all. He should gather teamwork because, sir, once we are in the GTO field, all matters is the teamwork, sir. How we manage our team, how we guide our team, sir. So we need to work on those lines like teamwork and all. And yes, sir, dedication is very important, sir. Because, sir, during the preparation, there will be times when we will feel like there is a lot more to study, there is a lot more study. How will I? So, sir, dedication is what is required a lot, sir. And, sir, the fourth quality would be, sir, confidence, which comes by participating in the CC activities that we get the exposure in our school, sir.
Yeah.
And the normal day scholars also get the opportunity. It's just that they don't grab them. So what I would ask them would be grabbing the opportunities so that they're able to build confidence.
Excellent. Very, very good. In fact, चलो अभी आप बताओ. Then we will analyze this.
Sir, it's all the same, but one point.
No, you have to give different. You have to give 5 different things.
Okay, sir. So I think, sir, for the Georgians, it's the procedure of SSB, and this is all very easy if you look at it, sir. But for the people outside the school, it becomes difficult because they don't have much exposure. So I would say that people outside should indulge in the team sports, should participate more in the CC activities, and also if you get the chance to be some appointment or like the school captain also, so they should take their own initiative to come forward to take on the responsibilities and fulfill them, sir. So one detailed point I wanted to add, sir, was that I was talking about some other boys near my home, sir, and they were preparing for SSB too. And one thing I found was that whenever they study about a topic, like one of the most important topic when we are preparing for SSB is India's bilateral relations with so many countries. So whenever we read about any country, sir, we should try to know more about it, sir, like about its geographical position, about its culture, about its neighboring countries, and how it is important to India. These all things should be kept in check, sir. Only the base knowledge, the knowledge which is on paper, like which is visible to you, isn't enough, sir. So if you are reading about a topic, go in deep and try to read as much as possible.
Yeah, because but this can't be done in 1 month, 2 months. This is what I keep telling them. Going to a coach
is all about consistency.
Is only spoiling your personality. You know, it requires 6 months, 1 year. The day you dream कि मैंने officer बनना है, the day you decide, whenever it is, whether you decide in 10th, 11th, 12th, or in college, from that day, minimum you require 6 to 1 year, minimum, to shape up yourself. Isn't it? हमारा तो आसान था because हम तो फौजियों के बच्चे हैं, मिलिट्री स्कूल में चले गए. हमारा तो every year this was a plan. जब छुट्टी आते थे, माँ बाप यही पूछते थे भाई कब, है ना?
Yes.
So, so that is very good. And उसके अलावा what other experience you feel कि which taught you something or which you want to pass on, from the SSB and from your entire return and SSB, some really key issues.
So it is regarding the psych test. So the candidates, what they generally do is that they go there with preconceived stories and end up writing the same. So what I would suggest is that they should practice the TAT stories prior to the SSB. But when they are in the original scenario, when they are sitting in front of that projector and the photo is being displayed there, they should get the idea and the best theme possible for that. Not that they are going with the stories that they had written prior and they're writing the same there as well. And yes, sir, speed matters a lot, sir, because in a limited time frame of 4 minutes in the TAT or 15 seconds for the VAT, our mind runs very fast, but our hands should also do the same also. So should do the same. Yes, sir, speed is what is required a lot, sir, because I faced a problem in the SRT, sir. I was not able to do much at SRTs. I was able to attempt around 32. And I had the plan of attempting 40 to 45, around 40 to 45. And yes, sir, I faced a problem in the speed, sir, same. And yes, sir, in self-description, what cadets tend to do is that they have 15 minutes to attempt 5 questions. But they see that there is a large number of space because of 5 to 6 papers are given for self-description, and they keep on writing, and they end up leaving 1 or 2 questions. Many a times they end up leaving questions, which creates a negative impact in front of the assessor, sir.
Yeah, क्योंकि अगर आप जिस चीज को you could have rehearsed, practiced, and वो तो एक चीज है आपने अच्छे से आप बना सकते हो अपना, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Correct grammatical, no spelling mistake, proper spacing. That is something you can prepare. If that also you can't do, then you really don't deserve, है ना?
It should be crisp, sir, to the point.
Yes, brevity is very important. To the point. I totally agree with you.
Yes.
And what about you? What
Sir,
would
my personal opinion would be, sir, in the GTO, sir, there's a lot of misconception that we have to dominate the group to actually get recommended. But it's actually not true. I feel that you have to perform as a group. The obstacles shouldn't be seen as that you only have to cross it. You should always think about the whole. You should think about everyone as a whole. If I cross, everyone has to cross the obstacle. If I'm participating in the group discussion, everyone has to. So there are some cadets. There are some cadets in the group discussion and all who don't speak at all, but they have some good points and they could add to the group discussion and make it healthier. So these kind of candidates, they get left out, sir. So if you really have that officer like quality, you will try to involve that candidate also, so that you can make the discussion healthier and move as a group, not as an individual.
Very good. So now, when do you join NDA?
Still waiting, sir.
When the course will start in January?
Sir, it was expected to start. It was supposed to be start on 2nd July, but due to this
July batch. Okay, हाँ.
Yes, sir. Due to this COVID scenario.
अभी तक call letter नहीं आया?
No,
sir.
Okay. So I'll speak to the commandant NDA and let you know when are they starting the course. So meanwhile, now what are you doing? Now that you are, मतलब एक milestone life का achieve हो गया, it's a big milestone, entering and fulfilling aspirations of your parents, and घर में सब बहुत खुश है. So now what are you doing before you reach the academy? Whenever you go, one by one, what are you doing now?
So I actually left reading novels. I actually used to read a lot of novels earlier, but in all that is boards and all, studying and all, I left these novels, reading novels and all. So I have started again, and I'm trying to get suggestions from every one of my friends, and I'm trying to read more and more, sir.
Excellent, very good. What else? Reading ठीक है, उसके अलावा?
So I actually also left playing basketball, and I'm trying to get better at it, sir. And I will try to make the NDA team, sir. I'm preparing for it.
Our school means you will realize what our school is when you go to the academy. Suddenly you'll find boxing, basketball, athletics. These are our boys most of the places because of our solid and this nature of being a volunteer. And you have to excel. There is no shortcut. वहाँ ना बहुत से मैंने देखा very good. Now also I meet some people नहीं यार हमने ना academy में interest नहीं लिया. CGPA कम था. फिर वो habit बन जाएगी. You'll go to the unit also, you'll start relaxing. And the competition is so tough that you have to perform in academy to be high in merit, because that number remains with you all your life. Okay? And then in the units also, when you go, wherever you get commissioned, wherever, there also you have to put in a lot of hard work to continuously, keep evolving as a person. अनुराग, आप क्या कर रहे हो आजकल?
Sir, I have developed a new hobby, sir. I am trying my hand in sketching.
Oh, very good.
And sir, apart from sketching, sir, I go for running in the campus, sir. I am working upon my physical attitude, sir.
But reading is very important. And yes, even when we go off this program, you remain in touch with me. I will recommend some books from here, because as an officer, what will define you from other people? If I have to say my success to reach a general's rank in the Indian Army, and what I picked up from our school is this ability to read. And reading, now you may be reading fiction. Even I was reading at your but now start mixing this with some serious good books. One or two good thrillers, and then one or good books. This will define you, and you will outshine others when you reach the academy, when there is discussion there, when you meet the DSS. Slowly as you mature, then you go for courses, you will rise. The people who read are they simply stand out. They can get into any discussion with anyone on a social front. They can write. They'll get a task to write. ये काम मिला है, कौन करेगा? यार उसको बुलाओ, लेफ्ट हैंड उसको बुलाओ. This guy reads. In fact, when I was a CEO, I made all my officers start subscribing to some good journals. I said, bike बाद में लेना. पहले I want you to buy books and start subscribing to some top class military journals. You should have your own personal copy and not from what comes in the mess or like that. So start reading and start. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Okay?
Yes.
This is the first step. But we are very proud of you both, and so proud for your parents. They must be so happy. And also another thing you can do is now start mentoring other children from our school and neighborhood children. Take them under your wings.
Yes.
Whether it's for return or for SSB, take them under your wings. Try and teach some underprivileged children now till you join the academy. इनके मैथ्स वगैरह के डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हो, तुम पढ़ा सकते हो, है ना? ऐसा कुछ डोंट वेस्ट टाइम स्लीपिंग.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo boys, it's been a fascinating talking to both of you, and I'm so proud. I left the school in 1981, and 2021 I am talking to two cadets of my school. This is really special. Really special talking to you both. Okay? And I wish you all the very best. Anything last parting shot you want to give to my audience?
Keep the josh high, sir.
So just grind and shine.
Grind and shine. Very good. There's no shortcut, and there's no
Yes.
formula. है ना? There's no formula and there's no shortcut. Just we used to call it JLT. ये हमने अपना एब्रिविएशन बनाया था यूनिट में जब थे. अब बहुत सालों बाद मुझे याद है, तो मैं तुम्हारे ग्राइंड से याद है. JLT is जान लगाओ ट्रेनिंग. Whether you have to win a match against a team, win an athletic event, do well on an army course, or kill militants in Kashmir or climb Siachen Glacier. Anything. हमारा सिंपल फॉर्मूला was JLT, जान लगाओ ट्रेनिंग. जान लगानी पड़ेगी. फ्री में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, लॉटरी से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, है ना? You have to drive ये luck. A lot of this depends on your own hands, not ये तकदीर. लकीरों में कुछ नहीं है ना, यहाँ पे है. You have to drive your own luck. How to be lucky also is an habit. How do you become lucky? By inculcating certain great habits, which both of you have it in abundance. Such a pleasure, to speak to a new generation of my school and new generation for the Indian Armed Forces.
So it's been an honor for us, sir.
Wonderful. Before you all go, maybe we'll have another session on certain different aspects. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Such a pleasure to see you. So smart, so dashing. ठीक है? चलो, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Jai Hind. What a session we've had. Jai Hind to all of you.